Hello everyone. Welcome to the Delivery Schedule Sales Dashboard, a Power BI solution designed to provide complete visibility into sales orders, return orders, delivery schedules, and open order performance. This dashboard enables sales managers, customer service teams, warehouse supervisors, supply chain planners, and business stakeholders to monitor sales and returns, track open order lines, and analyze customer demand across different dimensions. Built using Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations data, this dashboard consolidates sales and return transactions into a single analytical view, helping organizations improve order fulfillment, monitor delivery commitments, and make informed business decisions. At the left side of the dashboard, users can filter information using multiple business dimensions including company ID, order type, customer, item, date range. Across the top of the dashboard are the key performance indicators that provide an instant overview of business activity. The total sales return card displays the total monetary value of returned sales orders. The total sales card shows the overall sales revenue generated during the selected period. The total quantity return KPI represents the total quantity of items returned by customers. The total quantity sales KPI displays the total quantity of products sold. The dashboard also tracks operational efficiency by showing the number of open order lines for returns and open order lines for sales, enabling users to quickly identify pending transactions that still require processing or fulfillment. The center section provides detailed transaction-level information. On the left, the returns table displays return order number, customer, and item information, giving users complete visibility into customer returns. On the right, the sales table lists sales order number, customer, item, and corresponding order details, allowing users to review individual sales transactions and monitor delivery progress. At the bottom of the dashboard, interactive visualizations provide additional business insights. The open order lines by cities chart highlights geographic locations with the highest number of pending order lines, helping organizations identify regional demand patterns and delivery workloads. The open order lines by customers chart displays customers with the largest number of open orders, enabling sales and customer service teams to prioritize high-volume customers and proactively manage delivery commitments. Together, these visualizations help identify bottlenecks, improve delivery planning, and enhance customer satisfaction. In summary, the Delivery Schedule Sales Dashboard provides a comprehensive view of sales activity, return transactions, delivery schedules, and open order performance. By combining operational and analytical insights into a single dashboard, organizations can improve order fulfillment, monitor customer commitments, reduce delivery delays, and enhance overall sales operations. Thank you for watching.